Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change default font and font size in Microsoft Excel. So this is very easy and simple method to change font and font size. So firstly you need to open your Excel, this Microsoft Excel. Now click on file, you see this left side. So just click on it. Now options, just click on it. Now here you see this when creating world books. So here you downside see this use this as the default font. So change this default font. So click on this drop down and change it and select your default font. And downside you see this font size. So click on this drop down and change the font size like 20 or 24 and other. So very easily you can change the default font and font size in Microsoft Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.